Okay, the topic here is the difference quotient. So the definition is the difference quotient is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Alright, that's the definition. It's written right there. Now for example 1, we need to find the difference quotient for f of x equal x squared plus 5 and simplify it. So we know that the difference quotient is this quantity f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Now first we need to do f of x plus h, so let's do it right here on the side. F of x plus h is equal, what does it mean f of x plus h? We're doing f of this number, x plus h, so we need to plug x plus h into x, right, into our function. So this becomes x plus h squared plus 5. So now we have to FOIL x plus h squared. The quickest way to FOIL it is you need to memorize this identity. A plus b squared is equal a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So in other words, this becomes the first term squared, which is x squared, plus 2 times first term x times second term h plus h squared. And don't forget the 5 plus 5. Don't forget this 5. Now all we need to do is just plug it back into the formula. So this is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 5. This is just f of x plus h. Minus, then we need to write f of x. F of x is right here, x squared plus 5. And then we need to divide the whole thing by h. Now this is equal to x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 5. I'm going to distribute to negative 1, so minus x squared minus 5 divided by h. Now next step, you always cancel whatever can be cancelled. So in this case 5 minus 5 is cancelled, x squared minus x squared is cancelled. So this is equal to xh plus h squared over h, and then we always factor the h, always, and try to simplify it. So in this case, if we factor the h, we get 2x plus h. Now we can simplify the h. Over here you can't. Over here you can simplify because you have a sum. The only time you can simplify when you have a product. See, this is a product. Now this is going to be equal to x plus h, and you're done from this example. Now next example is exactly the same. We need to first find f of x plus h, which means plugging x plus h into x here. So it's 3 x plus h squared plus 7. Now I'm going to FOIL the x plus h squared. Remember, it's always going to be the first term squared plus 2 times first term times second term plus second term squared. The difference between this example and the first example is we gonna distribute more. There's one more step. So distribute the 3, you get 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 7. So this is just f of x plus h. Now the formula says we need to find f of x plus h minus f of x over h. F of x plus h is already found, it's right here, so let me write it down. 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 7 minus my f of x is right here, 3x squared plus 7 divided by h. Now I distribute the negative 1. This will be equal to 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 7, so that would be minus 3x squared minus 7. Everything over h, and always next step, following step is cancel 7 with 7 here, 3x squared with 3x squared. So we have 6xh plus 3h squared, that's it, over h. factor the h, you get 6x plus 3h over h. The reason why we factor so we can simplify the h, and the answer will be 6x plus 3h. And that's it. We're done with these problems.